So I think it was raining for like 3 days straight, and just realized that like it was freaking snowing on the nearby mountains. And the mountain that I just showed you, like I was there like 2 weeks ago, I guess. Oh my god, it's gonna start snowing soon. It's crazy, and it's September. This is September, man. Damn. Yep, that does not look very good. Oh my god. So yeah, I haven't really had a chance to go out much last week. It has been raining. I'm kind of busy with my school works, and I have a lot of like other works to catch up on. But yeah, next Tuesday I'm actually flying to Budapest, and also going to Germany from like Budapest. So yeah, it should be fun. This is the reason I hate doing groceries. This is like an uphill climb every single time. Kinda sucks. So yeah, I don't know if y'all know this, but like one of the main reasons I chose Tromsø to spend max semester is cause of the Northern Lights, or the Aurora Borealis. And like it's really awesome. Like this is one of the best places in the world to see them. And yeah, I have already seen quite a few like very amazing light shows. But yeah, I've seen like the green lights, purple auroras. I haven't seen the red auroras yet. Hopefully soon. But like yeah, this year the light show actually started in September, which is crazy because like it's kind of early, and I can't even imagine how good they're gonna be when it's like October, November. It's like peak winter. One of the reasons maybe is because like I don't know if you all know about this, but like sun has its own cycle. Well, let me explain what auroras are. So the Northern Lights, which are also I think popularly known as Aurora Borealis, they are like this like amazing displays of light that is caused by sun's charged particles. So like there are lots of charged particles, ions, that are constantly hitting the earth, right? But what you need to know is like earth actually acts like this biggest magnet, because it is a north pole, it is a south pole. So what happens is that like charged particle, when they have velocity, they experience some force called magnetic force in the presence of magnetic field. So this is like go around the magnetic lines and just like go towards Earth's North Pole or South Pole, right? But what happens is that like those are charged particles, so they collide with gases in Earth's atmosphere, mostly like oxygen or nitrogen, and which creates like all these amazing lights that we see above the Earth's North Pole and South Pole, like above the Arctic region and Antarctic region, and above the Arctic region it's known as Aurora Borealis or Northern Lights. And the color of Northern Lights basically depends on the gas those ions interact with. So the green one is caused by oxygen, which is like the most prominent gas in the upper atmosphere. So the reason these auroras are like so spectacular this year is because, well, we should be thankful for our sun. It's because of the sun's solar cycle. So what the hell is a solar cycle? Sun basically goes through this like almost I think 11-year long cycle of like solar activities, and we are currently approaching the peak of solar activities. Like sun is ejecting a lot of flares or like a lot of ions and charged particles out of it, and it's also known as solar maximum, I think. Yeah, it is known as solar maximum. Yeah, whatever. Okay, so basically during this time the sun emits like more solar flares and coronal mass. So basically it like ejects these storms of energy away from the sun, and because it is ejecting more ions and more charged particles, it makes northern lights more prominent and like more intense and more frequent. Tromsø, it is like perfectly positioned, like right beneath the area of the sky are like the oval area of the sky in northern hemisphere, which is like a ring around the poles where auroras are like most visible. So when you combine that with the long dark Arctic nights, which are I think starting in November, because like after November you won't be able to see the sun is like always below the horizon, so it's like it's also known as polar nights. So there's no wonder like this place is basically the best place and one of the most beautiful spots to see the northern lights. One of the problems is like the weather here is cloudy most of the times, at least right now, because
the winter is coming.
But like, yeah, when the sky is clear, it actually looks so freaking awesome. Like, oh my god. So yeah, I just got back from a trip to Budapest and Berlin like a few days ago. And when I got back, I realized that this place has actually become so freaking cold already. It was literally snowing all morning. And the mountains are now like fully covered with snow. It looks so freaking amazing. I love that shit.